channel, but today also I will speak in English. So today I will show you how I edit my YouTube videos, which app I use mostly. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So now I will start editing the video. So as you can see, this is the Power Director app. I'm showing you properly. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the app that I use mostly for my YouTube videos. So now I'm clicking on this. See, it's open now. Just some ads will come like this. Just click on the cross button and you will see this type of thing. This is for subscription. You have to pay money for this, so don't have to do all these things. So we will do first thing, we will click on this new project. So our box will come like this, you can see clearly. So if you are editing for YouTube video, you will just click here, the first one. So now you have to turn your phone like this. So I am using my brother's phone, and you can see the videos here. So I will click one of the video. So I am clicking the second one. I am choosing this, and you can see the plus sign. You have to click on this like this, and see your video will be here. And if you want to see what is in the video, you can click on this and you can see the video before on. Now let's start editing. So I will choose one more. So see, I have chosen this video, it is here. So now I will do one thing, I will just move the cursor over here on the end of this video, and then I will choose one more video. So I am choosing this one, the third one. See, again you have to click on the plus sign. See, the second video is next to the first video. So now again I will go to the first, and then I'm clicking on this first one, and then you see the video is fine, nice. And if you want to do something about this video, so you have to click on this edit button. Like if you want to change the speed of this video, just click on this speed button and just increase the speed like this. And if you want not to change the voice, then just click on this one, keep speech. See, now I am just starting the video. I am starting again. So you see, the voice hasn't changed, but if you want to change your voice, so you have to do one thing, just don't click on this keep pitch. So now your voice will be changed, you see. See, your voice has changed. So like this you can change the voice and all, and also the speed. If you move down, your speed will decrease. So now you see, you can also mute the sound over here. So you see, it is now in a slow motion. So now I have decreased the speed of this video. Now I will do one thing, I will just add some music for the background. So you have to click on this, click on the music. So if you have some music in your phone downloaded beforehand, you can choose anything. So I don't know, anything is there in my brother's phone or what. Okay, so this music was there in his phone, so I will choose this one. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this, and you can see the plus sign. You have to click on the plus sign, and see the sound came over here, the background sound on the down over here. So now I will go back, and now just play, I will just play the video. I think you have understood what I am trying to say. So now I will add some text over here. So okay, so for text you have to click on this second one. See, yeah, it came. So you see, there are a lot of unique designs for the text. So let's choose one. This one is the basic one, only the I will choose two for you. First one, you have to click, everything you have to click, and you see the plus sign. So it is here. First I am showing you. So you see, this is the text. Now you have to tap on this, tap to edit. It is already written here, so just tap. Now write something, and it's done. Now you can drag and just change the position, and you can also change everything for it, like you can change the title design. So you can see I'm giving a border for this alphabets. So I have chosen the border first. Now I will choose the color. So for the color I am choosing red. You see, you can see properly. So I am choosing the size, it's changing. You can also create some shadow like this. You can create anything as your choice. You can change the backdrop. See, just click on the enable button, then choose the color first. I am choosing yellow, then just drag and make it lighter. So you can also change the design of the edge, like I am choosing the round one. So now it's already done. Now I am just making it shorter. So for short, you just use your two finger and do like this, and you can make the text shorter. I am placing over here. See, now it's done. So till this much I think you can understand what I have did. So now I will do one more thing. I will choose one more text over here. So you can just drag the cursor wherever you want and just click on the text thing, and you can add the text over here. If you don't want the text over this timing, you can choose this, just hold and drag over here. See, it came here. I think you can understand. Now you can also drag below, just click. So you can see now how I have done. So if you if you take this to here, you will see first this came, next after some time this will come, and if you are choosing below this, so both the writings will come at the same time. Okay, so that's all. So I am choosing the first one. I am showing you something more. So you can choose some cool effect like this. Some more things are there. If you want me to continue this video for part 2, I'll show you. Okay, so one more thing I'm showing, that's also an important thing. If you don't want a part of your video, small part of your video, then just click on the video and press on this edit button, and here you can see the split option is here. Just click on that, and next again click on this video. So I just don't want this portion, so I am again clicking split button. So you see, you can see it has divided into 3 parts. Now I am just clicking on this smaller part and just delete it, gone. So now the portion is gone. So like this, if you want some portion to be deleted, you can do it easily. And you can also give some transition to this. You see, just click on this one, the small box, and all the transitions will come like this. There are a lot of transition. I am choosing this one. Now just see. Playing one more time. So you see, so you can see the transition now. So you can give a lot of transition. Just split, and here goes the second square, and you can choose another transition. I am choosing this one. So you see, yeah. So now I am doing something else. So now I will make some more effects. So you just click on this effect. Now you see the beating one, just click on this, and now you see the effect. You can see. So like this you can give lot of effects. You can choose this one. You say, see the effect, see this effect. So that's all. So now you can do one more thing, that is, if your video is not in this position, you can rotate your video. You see, this is how you can rotate, or you can flip your video. You can do one more thing I'm showing you. Just click on the video, then click on this pan and zoom. See, click on custom motion, and see how I'm doing. Okay, so now let's see. Just a minute. I'm just now you will see something very creative. The video will slowly move to the from top to lower portion. There are many more editing options, so you can also reverse your video if you want, and you can add some more thing, like you can add a picture. There are a lot of pictures over here you can add, like you added the video. So this was the thing that I wanted to tell you. So now my editing is finished. See, so you can see the video. If you want to delete, click this one and you can delete the video. So as you can see, I have shown you how I edit my YouTube videos and which app I use mostly. Actually, I like Power Director most. I feel very comfortable editing in this app. So if you like today's video and want me to do like this video in my vlog channel, please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So tada!